It's not a paid ad or nothing. It's a Kevin a try the Burger King plant-based Whopper for the first time. My mind is fucking blown. Top of the morning, top of the morning, top of the morning, top of the morning to you. I hope you're having the best of days, you know? And if you're not having the best of days and things are going, hold up, because you might be hearing a lot of woo 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 woo. If you're not having the best of days, right, and things are going rather shitty for you, just remember, your life is not Kevin's. It's not as bad as Kevin's. God damn, I joke, I make, yeah, man. I joke, I make. You know, as rough as things may be, I mean, I think I am always grateful to have life. Not think, I know I am always grateful to have life. And just know that if you're at the bottom, pause, if you have plateaued, you know, the downward trajectory, if you have reached that part where I cannot possibly go any lower, then you know what direction you should go from there, you know? It's up. On a Tuesday, your girl in the car. Never want to be vice, you know? But people, like with all YouTube videos, the title has surely ruined the surprise. I'm on my way to Burger King right now to get the plant-based sandwich, you know, the fool your mind say a meat and a real, but I not really meat, or actually grass you eat sandwich. Yeah, so we're gonna see if them have it. It's about lunchtime, you know, so I'm thinking that's the best time to really pull up to like food places, because you know they have fresh things that they're putting out, I would like to believe, and the car get hot. So I'm not really wasting the time and don't know what they're talking. Let's just go there, get it, come back home, eat it, and see what it is. I'm not reach yet, as you can see, but somewhere crossed my mind. I was thinking about it. I mean, I say, you know, say a good while now, I'm gonna hear a dance hall, like a medley, you know, and bad rhythm drop, and then a whole heap of bad artists depending on it, you know, thing shot. And a medley video and them something. A long time I don't see that, you know. I mean, I don't know about them thing there. Well, I artist them just depend some media over here, so I do my own thing and I don't care about nobody else. It would be nice to see that though, you know. Just regardless of if a man deal or not. What rhythm did it, and you know, everybody can jump on it, and a bad medley video make same way. Even if you're the man in the agree, you don't have to dip on the same set. But you know, medley video and them thing there, you know, for the sake of the music. Just something that think about still. I hope I wind down there in there, because you don't know. You don't know what name AC. We can't use them thing there with them gas price. AC, what name, sir? Outdoor breeze have to work. That is what we're going for, people. The plant-based Whopper. Patty made from plants. We'll see about that. Hello, you have the plant-based Whopper? Plant-based Whopper? Alright, can I have one, please? That's what we came here for, see? Not gonna lie, I'm kind of nervous. Coming out sometimes, you know, in Jamaica, when things out in the world, we don't really have it like that. But I know something with a bag of hype around it, which is why I'm guessing it's still there, you know. Plant-based, people are too excited. But I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna clean off my hand already. Come here, my sanitizer this time. So at least me get some hot fries. I'll try to save the rest. So when we reach home. Let's go see what this is all about. Yo, girls are a different species, isn't it? Like if you see me and you recognize me, see? Say something. Say hi, you know. Girl just walked past a while ago, you see? And she just looking at my face. And she growing on the side over there, so we catch her and glimpse me again. And I look back. I don't know my thing taking you know nothing. If you see me and you know me, say hello. Alright gang, we got the Whopper, plant-based. Why the hell does it say crispy chicken tender on it? Anyways, in America they market it as the Impossible Whopper. And here it's, when she was giving it to me, she said, 1 veggie burger! So a veggie burger, it smells like meat. I ain't gonna lie to you. It smells like meat. You got the char marks on it and all them thing there. Alright, so we got see if I can. It look like meat, definitely look like meat. I hope there are no onions in there. Cause I never really tell them so no onions, I mean one onion. For the most part, it look like how the Whopper would have look, right? When I see no cheese, so I guess you have to add the cheese separately. Alright, cool. Cool, I ain't tripping. Let's go in for the taste test. Put more that by your beard hope and not ensure. Pause. Hey, man. Nah, bruh. No. On the flyer is something more. Try to believe it. Hold on, let me just break a piece of this by itself. Like, let me try it. Yo, this not. Yo, that's unbelievable. You know what I mean? Nah, bro. A trick or not trick me. See? Somebody take up one of meat patty them and grill it and put in there so and tell me about it. It's just unbelievable. Yo, whoever like discover this, hats off to you. Okay? People, me not lie. Try it. In America it's the Impossible Whopper. Out there so them said plant-based. And the woman said veggie burger, but in all honesty and truth, my mind is baffled. Because it tastes just like a regular Whopper. And with everything mixing, it tastes like a regular Whopper. Like I feel, my mind I tell me say somebody put a meat patty in this, but the actual veggie sitting, get a prips. Let me show you what I go there. People look funny. It look like a regular patty. No, me honestly can't believe, like, bruh. I be getting shit. Put the white things on the corner of my mouth. I violate. Nah, bro. Whoever, like, honestly, whoever come up with the idea of the plant-based patty and make it taste just like real meat, like, well done, well done. Usually you hear people say things like, oh yeah man, it tastes like real meat. Sure. Shut up your mouth. But this, me still like, no, I am in disbelief, because I still try to figure it out. If I actually plant this, it don't make no sense why it tastes so good and it look like beef. Alright, if I convert to the vegetarian lifestyle, this could have worked for me. This could have worked for me. Hey, people at BK, or whoever come up with this, tell me which tree this, brother. Which tree this would taste so good like a meat? Let me go hunt it down. Jamaica full up a bush. Let me go hunt it down and try to make some meat for myself. And this is not something where Burger King pay for. It's not a paid ad or nothing. It's a Kevin a try the Burger King plant-based Whopper for the first time. My mind is fucking blown. Brother, how? No, look on it. Look on it. It look just like the beef and it tastes just like it. I mean, not hype you up. And I hype you up, people. Like, the truth. I remember me just say like, it never done. Like, you know, sometimes when something get hyped up, like, it done. But it wasn't done. Then they actually have it there. But I guess because people don't really know, say, yo, it actually tastes like, if you eat it, you have to think say a lie, them I tell you. Like they just give you one meat, one actual beef patty. When you bite it, you probably want to care back and say, no, actually I beef this. I say more on the plant-based. Then I go say, sir, madam, that's a plant-based one. See it here, see it in that packet so. Yo, it's, so I believe, I have me look at fries and I want to eat 2 fries. And cold and all low. Should I get it with cheese? Hey, what the hell is going on? What the hell? Should I get it with cheese? But then I thought to myself, yo, I don't want to ruin it. I just want to get the plain meat, or see me, I call it meat. I just want to get the plain plant-based patty flavor and nothing interfere with it. Brother, is a sandwich full of plants me I eat right there saying? No, let me say that, you know find it. Whoever come up with this. The consistency of how like a patty would taste with like the meat a crumble away and all of them. What they need to come up with now, like all these food places, is a way to keep them fries hot for like a good time. Hot and crispy. If they come up with that, I live a fast food place. Listen, Burger King, the person that come up with this, for them next 5,000 generations are good. Yeah. The person that busting up on the idea, the next 5,000 generations are jiggy. I know, I feel like I want great granduncle Pitney them come up with it. So me I don't need to have a talk. Yeah, me I don't need to have a conversation about it. Huh? Compensation. For my family. That's different. That's different. Hey. My honest and true review, it tastes just like me. My brain is still trying to process if I never actually meet that. If you have the chance, try it. When I say the price, I'm showing $1,020 feet, but the fact say, it mash up my head, yeah, me second for that. I never really look on the price of a regular Whopper. Because if it plant-based, then would I say, oh, no, could at least make it price a little bit less. But in terms of taste and the consistency of what a regular beef burger patty Whopper is, are the same thing. Your brain not gonna yellow to tell the difference. Burger King gonna big up on yourself, yeah? Big up on yourself, man. Whoever come up with this, they did a great job. So that is it, people, for Kevin tries for the first time. Until we try something for the first time again. Look more, is it? Embrace, look what I brought for you. But you wanna glisten in the morning dew. Hey, me tell you, no rampant, me singing right,